Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to and basically what to do when you have forgotten your PIN and it's not accepted on REALME 11 Pro Plus, of course. Let's begin! So as you can see, I have my phone here and I have forgotten my password. What can I possibly do? Well, unfortunately, there isn't like a way to fix that. It's not probably the issue with your phone, it's the issue with your brain. I'm sorry for being way too harsh, but there is a very high chance you have forgotten your password. It's just that, you have forgotten it and now you can't access your device. So what can you do in your situation? Unfortunately, there is only one thing you can do, and it is to perform a factory reset. Now, I have to mention it, because it's very important, that you will lose everything. Like, the factory reset will remove every single thing from your phone. This does include the password, yeah, but it also includes your videos, your images, your applications, your games, your music, your contacts, your messages. Everything will be erased. Yeah. So if you have something very important on your phone and, for example, you don't have a backup or you don't have a cloud backup or anything else, then, well, F in the chat, I guess. But now let's just begin with factory resetting this device. First of all, we want to turn it off. We can do that by pressing and holding power button and volume up button, and then you can swipe down to power it off. So we can wait for a moment, and now we should be able to do magic, because as you can see, whenever the logo disappears, our phone is now turned off. We don't want to wake up our phone by only the power button, we want to use power button and volume down buttons. So let's do that. And we want to keep pressing and holding until we'll see REALME and a little text in the bottom left corner that says recovery mode. Now we want to wait just for a couple of moments, usually a few seconds, maybe like 10 seconds at best. But now we should be seeing the recovery mode itself and the ability to choose 3 different languages. Of course, if you want to, the English is at the bottom and the English is the language I'm going to use. By the way, you can use the touchscreen or you can use the power buttons and the power button, the volume buttons and power button as a confirm. So you have 3 settings here: the format data, reboot device and power off. Obviously, for the purpose of this video, you want to click format data. Now this is very interesting. We have to enter verification code, which we actually see here, and one would ask, why do I have to do this? Well, it's because if you don't want to accidentally factory reset your phone, because that wouldn't be really fun. And I know that the chances of you accidentally turning your phone off, then accidentally enabling the recovery mode, accidentally clicking format data, and then seeing this are very, very low, but never zero. So let's input 2834. 2834 for me, of course. You probably will have a very different code. And now let's click format. We are now wiping all of our data. And after it's done, we see a little prompt: data has been formatted. So let's go with OK. And now our phone will turn itself off. It probably wants to wait for a moment. And, you know, in a moment we should see something like this. This is the beginning screen of the setup. If you want to perform the setup, you can always, just go with the arrow. And if you don't know how to perform a setup, you can always watch our tutorial on the specific topic. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.